working on this Jeep. Last time we got the axle out and we got the transfer case out. Today, the goal is to get the transfer case back in and also clean up these axles to put them back in the Jeep. It should be pretty easy. Hopefully we don't run into any headaches, but I guess we're gonna get to it and see how it goes. That's how it's done, son. We don't use no jacks. You muscle it in. Where the bolt's at? Where the hose at? Pretty much the only thing we need to put in is this tranny cross member in, but the mount is broke and it's all nasty, so we're gonna clean it up with some degreaser, and also we're gonna clean these axles with some degreaser. Some of this rust dissolver stuff that I got from Walmart, it helped. They were a little bit rusty before, just some surface rust, so I sprayed them already down with all this. So now I'm gonna degrease them, pressure wash them, and then next time we're here, we're gonna throw them under the Jeep. So we're gonna pressure wash them right now. Alright guys, we're back at the shop, spray painting up these axles before I throw it up under the Jeep. So pretty much I got the transfer case back in and I'm waiting on the mount for the transmission. I ordered it, it should be here next week, so I can't put that in until I get that. So today, we're spray painting this axle and we're gonna put it back up under the Jeep. Alright guys, so the axle's all painted up, it's looking good. So pretty much I'm gonna try to get up under the Jeep. First things first, I'm gonna put the wheels on because putting it in without the wheels on would be really hard. It's so heavy and stuff, so I'm gonna put the wheels on, roll it under, and then hopefully it goes in smoothly. So I guess we'll find out, and we're gonna get to it.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Alright guys, we're back here working on the Jeep again. So pretty much, we didn't get really much done because I was waiting on this package here to come in. So let's open it up and check out what's inside. So pretty much this is the transmission mount, and this goes up under the transmission, and then the skid plate bolts up to this. So when you're driving, the vibrations it doesn't like, I guess, shake you out of your seat. So pretty much this is like rubber. It's like a bushing pretty much. This was my old one. Obviously, it was pretty busted. There's no fixing that. So we got a new one, and we're gonna throw it in the Jeep and then hopefully get this axle all mounted up too. Alright guys, so I pretty much ran into a pretty big issue. These are the bolts that thread into the frame and that hold up the skid plate. And pretty much this goes like this, and then this threads up. And the nuts that were inside the frame that hold the bolt up in there are, I don't know if they're just deteriorated or they are stripped, but pretty much when I put this in, it don't thread into nothing. So pretty much what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna drill a hole, and then I'm gonna bore it out so I can get a nut inside there, and then I'm going to thread a new bolt inside there. So that's the plan, and I guess we're gonna go get some nuts that fit this, and we're gonna go get my drill and some drill bits, and we're gonna get into this. So see how it goes. It might not go as planned, but we'll figure it out. So let's get to it. So before I go to the hardware store to get some bolts and some lock nuts or whatever I need for this, I'm gonna clean these up because they're all nasty. All right, they're all cleaned up, so let's go head to the hardware store.
Oh. Got the one.
It's not that tight. I don't know if it's... Okay. All right, so we figured out what we're gonna do. I couldn't find a nut that would work for these, so I'm gonna do away with these and go with this grade 8 hardware. So right now I'm just getting the right bolts for them. Hopefully these are gonna work. Making sure we have all the bolts we need, making sure they all thread before we get there, so we don't get there and we have no problem. So these are not cheap, even though it's a budget build. This is like $4 a bolt. So, I mean, I guess it is what it is. We need it, and we need to get this job done. We got 6 of them, and now we're gonna go check out.
$29.65.
Sheesh. We got our $30 bolts, and we're going back to the shop. So I'll catch you guys there. right, so now we got it all bolted in. Now I just have to bolt the actual mount into the skid plate. So we're gonna drop the jack and bolt that up, and then we'll be all done with this. Alright guys, so we got the transfer case all bolted in. We got the skid plate all bolted in as well. And pretty much this front axle, all we have to do is put these bolts in and put the suspension back in and the steering, and this thing will be almost ready to go on a test drive. But we're gonna start working on this axle and hopefully get that done today. So. Alright guys, we just finished working. We got everything all bolted up and everything, so now we're going to clean up the shop, pick up all the tools and everything, and then I guess I'll catch you guys then. It was a great day. We got the transfer case bolted in, we got the skid plate up, and we got the whole front axle in. All the suspension's there. Pretty much all we need to do is just put the steering components in, which are all right here. And pretty much then we can throw the wheels and take it for a test drive. So it was a solid day. Hopefully next video I'll have it actually driving. So I guess thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.